back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day as usual. In today's video, I come at you with a little Louis Vuitton unboxing. I have to be honest, this was a very unexpected unboxing because I happened to be perusing the website and I saw an item that I didn't think I was able to get and it was available. So usually when that happens, I like to text my sales associate because I like to give him credit if I see something from Louis Vuitton. Plus, as you guys know, if I haven't mentioned before, a lot of times I will shop through the Louis Vuitton in the Bloomingdale's store because then that way I can kind of rack up points and I end up getting rewards that I can use towards future purchases. So to make a long story short, I texted my sales associate James. He is so great to work with and he had the item, so he was able to ship it to me. So now we are here. Like I said, this was very unexpected. However, I will tell you, this particular style of item, I have had my eye on for quite some time, but I was just looking at it in a different design or a different pattern. So I want to give you guys a second. Give me your guesses down below if you have any ideas what this might be. I'm trying to think if I've mentioned this before in any of my videos, like as something that's been on my wish list, and I don't think I have. So in today's video, I am going to unbox this item for you, tell you a little bit about it, and then we are going to see what fits in it. So that's right, it is a handbag. So if that sounds like something you guys would be interested in, make sure to hit that little subscribe button and let's get right into the unboxing. First off, it's packaged so nicely. So let's go ahead and open it together. Okay, and it comes in one of these boxes. Do you guys have any ideas? Like I said, I don't think I have mentioned this. I really don't. So the item that I picked up, and this is, just so you know, the very first time that I am seeing it in person, the very first time I'm holding it. So, all right, the item I picked up is the Louis Vuitton. Oh, I'm really excited. Double zip pochette. This right here is in the Bicolor Monogram Empreinte leather. How pretty. So now that I open it, let me tell you a little bit about the story behind it, then I'll tell you about this, and then we'll see what fits. So I had actually had my eye on this in the, I think it's the monogram on one side and the reverse monogram, but I kept going back and forth thinking I don't really need that because I have enough monogram bags. I had the little Nano Speedy, but I did like the idea of the reverse monogram. I thought that was really cute, but I just wanted something really different. And when I saw this right here, I said, well, I am someone, I definitely wear a lot of black. Now, do I need more black bags? No, I definitely don't. But I saw this and I was so attracted to it. I just thought it was so pretty. It's black and then it has the large LVs embossed in this beautiful cream color. And I thought this would be a great like on-the-go bag just to grab really quickly if you don't feel like taking like a big purse or a big crossbody bag, just something really, really tiny. Because we all know sometimes if we're running to the grocery store, we just want to take our keys. We don't want to take our whole handbag. I was looking for something like that, and that was kind of my thought behind this. I've been very intrigued by it, and I was torn between something like this or something like the Felici, which does come with additional pouches. But let me tell you why I opted for this, because I think it's going to be really, really functional. So let's go ahead and get into it. First, let me tell you a little bit about it. Again, it is the Bicolor Monogram in the Empreinte leather, which I absolutely love Empreinte leather. You guys know how much I love my Pochette Matisse in the Empreinte leather, and I just thought this was so different, and this is from their new collection. Again, I think this is going to be really practical. You can wear this as like a little clutch, or it also does have a strap. You can see the way this is, it has two zippers, and the really cool thing, you guys, it has a spot right here in the center, which I am a huge lover of bags with pockets. You know that I mention this all the time. Something where I can like easily access my phone, and having this little spot right here I think is going to be great. So I thought that was just really neat and creative. So again, it comes with two zips. You open it up and here is the strap. Now the strap is adjustable and removable. It is a thin strap right here. So let me go ahead, well, I'll put that on in a second, but let me just first show you. This one right here, the inside, it's just a black microfiber and cowhide lining. And then on the other side, see this, and this one right here, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but this one is made in Spain, and I love the Empreinte leather. If you guys have not used the tried the Empreinte leather by Louis Vuitton, it's really durable, it's really flexible, and you know, you don't really have to worry about like a ton of wear and tear in it. So I loved this pattern. I thought it was unique, it was different. So not only did I not have this pattern in my collection, but I didn't have this bag, and I thought it would go good with my aesthetic, considering a lot of times since I'm working from home, I'll be wearing like black leggings and a workout top. Actually, kind of what I'm wearing today. I'm very casual today, but I will try this on and I'll show you what I'm talking about. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I will show you kind of what fits. So first, let me put the straps on it because I definitely want to show you what it looks like. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you how it looks on my frame. Okay, so I currently have my workout outfit on, my tank, my leggings, and keep in mind I am about 5'3" and this is where it hits me, but how cute, right? I thought this was really cute as like an on-the-go bag to just take with you so you don't have to take your whole entire purse. It's 7.9 inches in length, 4.9 inches in height, and it's about 1.2 in depth. Super pretty, you guys. And again, let me show you the interior again. That's one, and this one has a pocket here, and then there are a couple credit card slots, and then this one does not have any. So let me tell you guys the number in case you are looking for this bag right here. It is called the Double Zip Pochette in the Bicolor Monogram Empreinte leather. The number is M80787. So what do you guys think as far as like an on-the-go quick bag type of thing? So now what I want to do, I want to kind of see everything that fits. So let's go behind the camera really quick so we can see what fits in this bag. Okay, so here is the bag, and I brought a couple random items and we're gonna see what fits. So first off, I have my phone. I have the iPhone XR, and you can pop that right there. Now keep in mind, I am a little disappointed, I'm not gonna lie, because you can see this spot in here. I tried to fit my phone down in there and it's not gonna fit with the case. Let me take the case off and see if that will make a difference. So I took the case off of my phone, and your phone will fit if you have like a thin case, but I usually do like to keep a case. So probably what I will do, you guys, is just either put it in here or just kind of stand it up like that. But for now, I'm gonna pop it in here. Then I have this little guy right here. This is my Louis Vuitton Pochette clay. We're just gonna pop that in here as well. I have a lipstick. This is a really pretty Tom Ford lipstick in Indian Rose. And I'm going to just pop that here. So I think that's good for in there, and I'll zip it up nicely. Nice thing too in here, if you want, you can put like a card holder. So maybe like, let's say you have a card holder that you want access to the most, you can put that in there for easy access. And then in this back pocket, let's say I want to put my cosmetic pouch by Chanel in there. Here's a key holder. That might fit. It's going to be a little, yeah, so that fits. And you know what I noticed right away? I noticed that the zipper is very easy to zip. So you can see it's tiny, but it definitely fits a good amount. So let me just show you, let's recap what's in here. My lipstick. I have my iPhone XR with a case. Keep in mind that will fit in the center compartment without the case. Then I have my Pochette clay. Let's see, I have a card holder in the center. And you open this up, You have a key holder, and then you have your cosmetic pouch. So I just wanted to kind of pick a couple random things, but you can see it is a tiny little pouch, but it definitely fits all of your essentials. This is what I usually use for like cash and cards. You have your key holder. I also use this for cards, another card holder, your phone, a lipstick. Again, I'm just kind of trying to think of a couple different combinations, but it definitely fits a good amount. The only thing I am a little disappointed about is that I thought for sure my phone was gonna fit in here with the case, and it doesn't. Not a huge deal because I feel like I can leave it unzipped. It does pop in very easily there. Another thing, if you guys don't want to use a card holder, you can see in here there is a pouch up top, and then there are 3 compartments. It might be kind of hard to see, but there are 3 compartments. So yeah, I'm really pleased with how much can fit. Okay guys, so there you have it. So let me tell you my initial first impressions, and obviously I have not worn it, but let me just kind of tell you really quickly. I love this. Could be just like a grab and go bag, and surprisingly it fits a lot more than I thought. I could picture taking this with me to Vegas. Like, let's say I have my carry-on with me on the plane and I have this on the inside, and then you want to walk around the strip but you don't want to carry a big handbag. This would be perfect for a situation like that. Plus, if you take the straps off of here, you can also use it as like a little clutch, which is cute as well. My initial disappointment is the fact that my phone did not fit in the center compartment here with the case. I am disappointed about that because that's one of the reasons I got it. I really thought it was gonna fit, but it does slide in here nicely. I am pleasantly surprised by the amount of items that did fit in this bag. I mean, it looks really tiny, but you can fit all of your essentials, which is really great. And the thing, I love the leather. It is so like soft and flexible, so it really will stretch out. And the thing that kind of surprised me the most that I wasn't expecting, like I've always known that Louis Vuitton has smooth zippers, but a lot of my bags, I haven't really experienced that. Like I haven't seen like how buttery smooth they can be. And on this one, oh my goodness, the zippers are so incredibly smooth. So I'm really excited. Those are my initial first impressions. If you guys are not into this design right here, again, this does also come in the beautiful monogram and the reverse monogram on the other side. I saw that on the website and it was super cute. I'll try to find those. I'll try to find this and link it down below as well. This was just so unique and different, and it is a newer collection, so I really think this is going to be functional for me. It's different in my collection, and I do think I'm going to be able to get a lot of use out of. So like I said, this was something that was kind of unexpected. I didn't plan on getting this because I did take advantage of a recent gift card event from Neiman Marcus, so stay tuned you guys, because I do have another haul video coming up for you guys to share that with you as well. But let me know your thoughts. If you own this double zip pochette in the monogram, let me know. I know that this style has probably been around for a while, but I'm kind of new to it, so I'm excited to try it out. And just like usual, once I've worn it for a little bit, I'll do like a first impressions and I'll do a review on this, because I really think it's going to be a handy functional bag. But I'd love to know your thoughts down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and I'd love to have you following me on Instagram as well. Have a wonderful day, you guys, and I will see you in my next video.